Welcome to Food Hacks. I'm Claire Lower, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate one of my favorite salad dressings in the comfort of your own home. I am low-key obsessed with the side salads you get at Japanese restaurants. Not because I feel the need to keep my body healthy with leafy greens, but because I love that salad dressing. The key, as it turns out, to making a dupe at home is to use not fresh ginger, but the pickled stuff. In addition to providing that spicy ginger flavor, pickled ginger also has sugar and acid, which gives your dressing the tang and sweetness that it needs. You can find pickled ginger at pretty much any Asian grocery store and at a lot of conventional American grocery stores. To make this dressing, you will need 3 ingredients: a 1/4 cup of toasted sesame oil, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 50 grams of pickled sushi ginger. All you have to do, dump everything into a tall jar or glass or whatever this thing is. And then just hit it with an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can also use a regular blender. Just chuck it in there and blend. All right, just stick that right down in there and go. It is not plugged in. This is a different one than I used to have. So sorry. You had to press 2 buttons at the same time. Boom. Boop. If there's some chunks stuck there, try to knock them out. Get out of there. There we go. Hit it one more time. All right, that's it. That is delicious. Once you've blended your dressing nice and smooth, you can pour it over a pile of greens or use it as a dipping sauce for dumplings. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, and don't forget to keep following Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.